calling for action from various councils.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and thank you.
The Kajiado Trade and Market Bill 2025 and Sanitation Bill 2025. And fourth, the Kajiado County Committee stage.
Even as we register this progress, we must candidly acknowledge the significant challenges remain within the land sector. There is still unfinished business over Kibiko land in Kajiado West, where a leadership rankle continue to delay the process of subdivision and issuance of legitimate title deeds. We are privy to the external hand in the simmering dispute, and we shall not relent until the people of Kibiko get justice. The matter in Birikani Group Ranch in Kajiado South is still unresolved, particularly the sanctioned stealing of a safe that contained title deeds of members.